Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hi children, in today's conversation, let's talk about introducing. You go to a party or some place, how you introduce each other. Introducing an unknown person to a known person, giving the details and so on, and how you talk. All right. So now at a party, let's say you are at a party and then you go there and somebody says, who is that pretty girl standing over there? Or who is that handsome young man talking to Mrs. So-and-so? And then you say who the person is. And then you introduce the person and then they start on a conversation, introducing each other and conversation goes on. So in today's conversation, we are talking about introducing at the party. So someone asks when you're at a party, who? Who is that pretty girl? Who is that? Who is that pretty girl? Or who is that young girl? Who is that young girl? Who is that young girl standing over there? Standing over there. Who is that pretty girl standing over there? Or who is that young girl standing over there? Or you can say, look at that girl in pink dress. Who is that? Then you say, she is. She is Kitty. She is Kitty. Probably that's a pet name. Did you not meet her at the Christmas party? She's Kitty. Did you? Did you not meet her? Did you not meet her at the Christmas party? Or at the last party? Did you not meet her at the last party? Or at the Christmas party, whatever. So, a young girl walks into the party and someone asks, who is that young girl standing over there? Who is that pretty girl standing over there? And you are told, she's Kitty. Did you not meet her at the last party? No. The reply comes, no. I was not at the last party. I was not there. I was not there at the last party. At the last party. All right, then they say, yes, come with me. Then come with me. Then come. Then come with me. Kitty, he is my friend Tom. Kitty, meet. Kitty, meet my good friend. Kitty, meet my good friend Tom. Or she could have said, come with me. Kitty, here is my good friend. Meet Tom, he's my good friend. Whatever you can say. Hello Tom, I'm glad to meet you. So Kitty says, hello. Hello, Tom. I am glad. I am glad. I am glad to meet you. I am glad to meet you. Then she says, I am Kitty. I am Kitty. I am Kitty, Susan's neighbor. I am Kitty, Susan's neighbor. I am Kitty, Susan's neighbor. Because Susan is known to Tom. What do you do, Tom? So Kitty is asking now. What do you do, Tom? What do you do? What do you do, Tom? Or Kitty could have said, what are you working for? What are you working for? Then Tom says, I am, or I work. Tom could have said, I am an HR manager. Or now he says, I work as. I work as the HR manager. I work as the HR manager in the Star Computer Company. Star Computer Company. Or Tom could have said, I work at the Star Computer Company as the HR manager. Whatever. What do you do, Susan? Or what do you do, Kitty? What do you do? What do you do? What do you do, Kitty? What do you do, Kitty? And Kitty said, oh, I work. I work in the airlines. I work in the airlines front desk. I work in the airlines front desk. Please come. Please come. Take your seat. Please come. Take your seat. Kitty. Let's talk. Let's talk. So both introduce each other. Now they settle down to talk. Yes. Thanks. Thanks, Tom. That's it. So here at a party, Tom meets Kitty or want to meet Kitty, and Kitty introduces herself as Susan's neighbor. Susan is Tom's friend. So how you introduce each other and find out about each other, that's what we are doing today, introducing each other. Let's see, let us read together what I have here. Who is that young girl standing over there? She's Kitty. Did you not meet her at the last party? No, I was not there at the last party. Then come with me. Kitty, meet my good friend Tom. Hello, Tom. I'm glad to meet you. I am Kitty, Susan's neighbor. What do you do, Tom? I work as the HR manager in the Star Computer Company. What do you do, Kitty? Oh, I work in the airline's front desk. Please, come, take your seat, Kitty. Let's talk. Yes, thanks, Tom.